Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily disable active status in Facebook Messenger. Please don't forget, friends, to subscribe to our channel, put likes under this video, and also write comments. So let us be friends with you to begin. And what is the active status in general? It is such a special feature that is responsible for making people in the Facebook Messenger app see whether you are currently active online or not. If you would like to disable this option, please open the Facebook Messenger app. Next, go to the menu. Now tap on Settings. After which at the top immediately tap Active Status. And if you have it enabled, then just tap on the button so that it turns gray. Confirm your actions. This way, you will easily disable active status in Messenger. I really hope that the video, dear friends, was useful to you. You have seen how you can easily turn off the active status on Facebook Messenger. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Bye everyone.